Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Today, the Jeep is back. And that means we got to get the engine ready. So, let me walk inside and show you what we're going to do on this video. This video is going to focus on getting the engine clean, getting the factory GM transfer case off, and getting the Jeep transfer case off of the old setup. So, let's get to work. Gonna pull the transfer case from our donor 5.3 and 4L60, and you probably can't see it from here, but under there is the factory Jeep transfer case hooked to the transmission still, so I'm gonna get that pulled off. So let's get started. 15mm wrench is what you're gonna need. Obviously I grabbed it from there. You gotta have a shorty because this stupid ass GM designers decided they would put humps there so you can't get in with anything else. I'm going to pull the coil packs here, and to do that use a 10mm. I went ahead and put a jack stand underneath it just in case it decides to let go. Obviously we've got to move our mounting point because we're going to pull the transfer case. Let's see if we can make a mess. Basically what I'm going to do is just try and work this thing this way. Alright guys, here's the factory Jeep Turbo 400 and transfer case. You'll need a 9/16 ratchet for this setup on this one. Slide under this goofy bastard to get the trans mount undone, but you've got to have all kinds of wrenches and sockets and all different kinds of stuff because this stupid GM Jeep engineered mother. How cool! Alright guys, we packaged up the GM Turbo 400 and the transfer case for the day 5 of the build process here. You can see this thing is dirty nasty. So while Steven works on his front hub there, I'm going to work on cleaning this up. So I'm going to flip you guys a time lapse while I do that. And that looks so much better. Oh my gosh. Steven had a tip last night, it's the next morning, to use one of these little things here. And look at how much better it looks right there. And he's used a little bit here. So I'm gonna mess with that a little bit and try and get some of this cleaned up before the family gets up. All right, guys, that's it. I'm ending it here. I'm ending this video here. Jeep will be in here on probably your next video, so we can start stabbing the or start putting the transfer case adapter on, so we can get all of it back together, so we can throw it in the Jeep and get this LS swap done. All right, subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything coming. To see more of a daily posting or update from us, follow us on all the social media sites: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. All right. What are you doing, Steven?
Trying to get all rusty shit out of the tank.
For what? The moped?
Moped. Be awesome if it ran.
Mm-hmm. Little ball bearings. You want to show them how rusty it is in there?
Sure. It's pretty ugly.
Ew. Gross.
But we're going to see what it does here in a minute.
Okay, right there. Yes.
You running now? It'll do it burn out.
Yeah.